Hey folks, I'm learning to use my track saw and my dashboard, including the rip gauge. And I learned something interesting I want to pass along. I was trying to use the rip gauge and a parallel guide to make a copy of a piece of scrap wood that I've been practicing on in much the same way that Rob does in his videos. And when I used the rip gauge as it was shipped to me, I ended up with a copy that was just ever so slightly too short. You're not going to be able to see this on the video, I assume, but nonetheless, it's not right. And what I realized is that the rip gauge has 3 settings for the width of the saw kerf, and it comes set at 1.8. But my saw, I looked it up, is a Festool TS-75, and its saw kerf is 2.2 millimeters instead of 1.8. So my saw blade is taking up more space than 1.8, and therefore the copy that I tried to make was too short. So I grabbed a Phillips screwdriver and I swapped out the 1.8 for the 2.2 that was right here, which turned out to be really simple, just a few screws. I swapped it back out. I redid the rip gauge measurement, redid the parallel guide stop, and the resulting copy came out perfect. So, lesson learned, I needed to adjust my rip gauge to fit my track saw.